Fleet safety can get complicated quickly. Regulations, roadside inspections, driver files, maintenance records, ELDs, safety scores, and plenty of advice about what carriers are supposedly doing wrong. Fleet Safety Lane was created to make those subjects easier to understand and more useful in the real world. I'm Jeremy Croft, and I created this series to help you. I spent 10 years as a state trooper working in commercial vehicle enforcement, followed by another 10 years as an FMCSA Safety Investigator. Today, I work with motor carriers from the insurance side of safety. That has allowed me to see the industry from several different angles, beside the road, inside a compliance investigation, and across the table from carriers trying to build safer operations. These whiteboard lessons will turn that experience into clear, practical guidance. We'll cover roadside inspections, hours of service and ELDs, driver qualification, vehicle maintenance, safety scores, crash prevention, compliance investigations, and the systems that hold a safety program together. But this series won't be about memorizing regulations or frightening carriers with worst-case scenarios. It will be about understanding what the rules mean, recognizing where risk is developing, and fixing weak spots before they become violations, crashes, or larger problems. Welcome to Fleet Safety Explained. Find the weak spot, not just the violation.